is that it's growing rapidly. A lot of opportunity, big players coming into the market, causing a lot in the marketplace, which is showing awareness. Basically, when there's awareness, we see more opportunity in our market space. So I think it's growth. Remote location, I think we're not remote. The internet is small. I mean, it's brought everyone together. So anything that new overseas is now new in Australia. So I don't think the remoteness from a locality point of view is a thing. I think it's about the champion in the region. So if we see something that's new, it's about that champion actually championing it through. Like the WordPress toolkit, for example. New features, new whatever, it's someone pushing it and championing it through. And that's what we do well. Yes, I see a great need for managed WordPress hosting, even at the application level. Obviously, security is a big thing. It's a thing that everybody worries about. So it gives us an opportunity to go into that space and say, okay, we can add some added value. We can get better return on investment on what we do. Instead of competing with the small guys or the big guys from a price point, we're actually able to add some value to what we do and differentiate ourselves in the marketplace. Looking across the board in the market itself, there's a lot of the smaller guys that are starting to catch on and make themselves different from the bigger guys. Plesk is helping us from an easy management point of view. We're really going into the marketplace with an exceptional toolkit, with an exceptional product, with all these added values like you get management, the extra application layer stuff like Ruby on Rails, etc., and providing a complete package for them. So when we actually bundle something up to them and say, okay, here is your solution, as it were, they're actually coming and looking at it and using it to their advantage, which is solving a lot of their issues and their problems in the marketplace themselves. The thing I like the most about Plesk is, and I've said this a few times, where Plesk is sort of two parts to it. There's the Plesk core and then there's the Plesk extensions. So what we see is obviously Plesk really focusing on that extension platform. So what I like the best is that we're seeing the new API stuff coming into play. We're seeing a lot of integration with the toolkit itself. So we're seeing better WordPress tools that help our developers, our end users even, use WordPress and manage their WordPress instance. That then also in turn helps us to grow our business by providing not only just standard shared hosting, but more managed services. We're providing those tools for them to get into it.